Racing just is started with a scramble in front position. We have Kim Passable moving upon the outside touch of class. Pangani Boy is not on the inside. Kiss Me. Counselor ran on the outside. Now is Dragon Maya. Shut up comes next. Happy Hour. Nika Champa rushing upon the outside. Coquette live in Manila and play. They play is the early trailer by about 13 lengths of the leader. And going along for the first turn, we have Kim Passable followed closely by Touch of Class in second. Pangani Boy in third. Then next on is Counselor moving upon the outside. Dragon May, Kiss Me, Coquette. Nika Champi on the outside. Happy Hour comes next. Then followed by Shut Up and on the outside live in Manila. Well play, they play now. Racing in less since the 3 Octavo. We have Kim Passable by about 3/4 of a length lead. And in second is Touch of Class. Counselor trying to get closer in third. Dragon May is done on the inside. Fourth next on Lana Wiz Coquette. Moving up now on the outside is live in Manila. Pangani Boy, Kiss Me. And Diana entering the home stretch. We have Kim Passable by about 2 lengths. And moving up down on the inside now is Counselor with about 150 meters more to run. Kim Passable followed by Counselor in second. Coquette live in Manila. And finally the curtain closer, Kim Passable. Then comes Counselor, Coquette, Dragon May, Touch of Class live in Manila, and Happy Hour.